And in this quick World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, WOTLK, I will show you how to unlock the crossbows for the Alliance and the Horde as well. So to unlock the crossbow skill for the Alliance, you will have to come in the Exodar, the capital city of the Azuremyst, and that's located, let me show you on the map. I'm located in the Azuremyst Islands, right here in the west, and also in Exodar, and this is the entrance of Exodar as you'll enter from the Azuremyst Islands. So enter the Exodar, and after that come here in the south in the Trader's Tier, and now here you will have to climb these stairs, and here we can locate the Weapon Master who will teach us the crossbow skills. This will be helpful if you are a warrior or a rogue, but if you are a mage or a warlock, he won't teach you that, of course. So let's speak with him, and here we can locate the crossbows. I already have that skill. If you learn this, you'll be able to equip crossbows in this slot. So that being said, now let's get to the Horde, and I will show you where to find the Weapon Master for the Horde who will teach you the crossbow skills. And now for the Horde, you will have to come in Undercity. So Undercity is located in Eastern Kingdoms, right here in Tirisfal Glades, and in the south of Tirisfal Glades you'll locate the Undercity, and in Undercity you'll have to come at the War Quarter, and here you can locate this NPC who will teach the crossbow skill for the Horde. Let's speak with him. I will also have to unlock it with my warrior character, so I'll select the crossbow and press on train, and why not, let's take also this weapon skill as well. So this is how to get the crossbow skill and how to unlock the crossbow skill in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, also known as WOTLK. I hope this helps, and thanks a lot for watching.